Hello friends, welcome to our channel Coding Akira. Today in this video we'll discuss about file structure of Angular that is automatically generated by Angular when you create any project, because it is very important to know which file and folder are most important to us and what type of changes we can do there to get best output. So let's start it. So first of all we'll discuss about angular.json from its base directory. This is main configuration file because it contains everything starting from entry point till output. You can define each and everything in angular.json. Here you can see in project property you can define application name, that I have mentioned a dashboard, and you can also change source root, that default is src, and your prefix, that is default app. If you want to change your custom prefix you can add here. One more thing, we'll discuss only those points that are very important to our project, but I have mentioned each and everything here so you can check this detail. Now here we'll discuss about architect property of angular.json. So here you can see we can set output path and entry path. So as you can see, output path we can change from disk to another folder, and for entry point, index and main property is responsible. So here you can see default is src/index, and for main it is src and main.ts. It is not necessary that main.ts should be your entry TypeScript file. You can change and give it to another name or from another directory. It is up to you. And also there is an option to add your assets like image, icons and style and scripts that will be globally accessible, whatever you will add here. Next, about node module folder. So whatever you download from npm like charts, bootstrap, jquery, that will store inside this folder. Next, about package.json. So everything that we have downloaded from npm, that stored and logged inside this file with their version. Next we'll discuss about src folder, because when you work on any Angular project you use this very frequently because it contains every required file inside this folder. It contains app folder where your all component resides. It contains main index.html, main.ts, module and assets folders. So each and everything here that is related to your project while you are coding. So this is very important. Some points that is very important and you should keep in your mind while working on Angular, and this is related to index.html because this is an entry point, so you should not forget these things like your base reference, your app root inside body, and you can also add here style and script also that I have mentioned. You can also in your angular.json, and you can also add here style and scripts. Next we'll discuss about app folder that contains your logic and UI. It contains every component that you create and your modules, your routing. Here you can check the detail of app folder. Next we'll discuss about module.ts file inside app folder. This is a very important file because whenever we import anything from npm or we create any component, we need to register here to access inside our whole application. You can check detail here. There is a multiple section like declaration, exports, imports, providers and bootstrap that have different role, and you have to add components and package inside these properties. So you can check this here. In next video we'll discuss about TypeScript in detail. Please subscribe our channel if you are new here, and if you like this video please hit the like button. If you have any query regarding this or any suggestion, please comment us so that we can improve or we can add your suggestion. Thank you.